Previously on Atlas Kayaks. Here we are, back at Aaron. Didn't really get this out on time, I suppose, but I guess you could say I'm doing it now. So, hey Poochie.
I need someone who...
Here we are. This is still previously. Oh, Atlas Kayaks. The Aries.
There goes now. Yeah, Doug.
I'm up here now. So the day before it hit.
Yeah, I know. It's weird to see.
Yes. You think I'm messing around here? That's right. Riding it all the way. Not messing around. Not
You're still
messing
on it.
around. Mainly just messing around. This kayak's the best. The best. Hey, Poochie.
Jetty!
Alright. Now, this was actually after the sessions that are later, but whatever. Hey, Poochie. I flew Night of Air. I've got my data. I've got an idea. First try.
Now it's no time to count your timers, because I just left the planet Earth. Now where I go, I hope there's
Pickup truck. Now listen, everybody. When you drive through these floodwaters, you really kill your car. So, what are you doing? Hey, Poochie. Poochie.
But I don't want to land in New York City. Don't want to land in Mexico. Don't want to land on the 3 Mile Island. Don't want to see my skin down below. Don't want to land in Comanche, Scapa, or in Nashville, Tennessee. Don't want to land in the San Juan. All the Utah territory. I don't want to land in the San Diego. I don't want to land on the
Well, anyway, it didn't work out so well with the fire truck, and that's about it for that. Now it's back to the real action. Let's get back to action. Okay. Well, starting off with some rigorous moves at Corson's Inlet, a classic drift. Aaron Day. Part 1.
Yeah,
Fortunately, this helmet can keeps dying on me.
I can't say it enough. Thank you very
Wrong
much for,
times.
like I said,
Here's
50
nice
years
edits.
of
Wonderful edits.
an amazing run.
Wonderful edits.
I want to go back to the island
You see, the shoals are nice and gentle
where the
to
shrimp
get out.
was
Well,
tied to the pilot.
still.
Give me horses and beer, yeah, for dinner every day of the year, and I'll be fine. I'll
supply straps. That's the X-Wing as well.
with the tin cup.
The X-Wing and the B-Wing.
Fill it up with the red wine.
B-Wing is newer.
I bet you
It's the X-Wing.
on a honeysuckle vine.
See, strap it around, and then I do the third strap
And now the
because my
sun,
roll
it
is
goes
spot on.
sliding across the water.
Also been working on the layback roll.
Sailboats,
First
they're
possible
searching
wave.
for the breeze.
Is it a wave? Oh yeah, ripping.
Salt air, it ain't thin.
Playing some music.
It'll stick right to your skin and makes you feel
enjoying it.
fine.
Just switch over to the music.
Makes you feel fine.
Getting it? Isn't it? Getting it.
And I
Not
wanna
too
be
bad, is it?
I wanna go back down and get
gonna
high
walk that
by the
thing.
cedar. Hit the tin cup or a cup. Fill it up with red wine. I'll bet you on a honeysuckle vine. And now
Yeah.
you
Apples
heard
pie.
that strange proposal. Oh, won't you get that Packard running? And let's move. Thank you, Georgia. I wanna be there before the day tries to steal away, leave us behind.
Watch some more ad footage. Sit
I've
back,
made up
relax.
my mind
Listen to some nice Jimmy Buffett.
that I
Yeah, ripping.
wanna be there. I wanna go back down and die beside
Cut
the
backy.
cedar.
It's on the fluff, but it's a powerful fluff. You know, it's bigger than it looks. It still looks bigger when you're out there. Huh? No, these are
And
pretty
I'll be
big.
chewing
Fisheye makes them look
on
small.
a honeysuckle vine. Have a great night, dear.
So what you do is you catch these outer shoals. This is like the third break. The far out break in sea aisle. But if you go in too far, you're stuck because you get into that inner bit and it's hard to get out. You need a lot of luck to get back out sometimes. If you go in too far, you're getting denied some days. This
I kind of
is
need
one of
a
those
break,
days.
in the year of turning 70, so like Mr. Twain, I headed south, and I've been
those
surfing,
funky days.
sightseeing, and like I said, watching rugby, not CNN, and throwing in a few shows in between. And I guess
Amaze.
we're taking another road to a hiding place. So here's a little song that also was inspired by following the equator. So you'll see
little one.
tidbits of a little Mark Twain in there. So, boys, shall we do it?
All right. 1 point. I got picked up by that evildoer, Daff. And dropped off again. Another.
Take you on a little journey.
But as I said earlier, the battery kept dying on me.
Seen the fall
So
to
anyway, that's all I
rise.
got of that. Now, time for the next part of it. For another try.
Headed for the jungle, the cowboy.
See, what happened here is I started off on Corson's Inlet, and then I ended up on the other side of Corson's Inlet because the tide sucked me the wrong way, and it didn't work out the first time. But here I am, after paddling out, another nice.
Take
It's like
another
on the Ocean City side almost. That's Ocean City.
disappear
You know what I'm talking about? You did.
Take another road to another
You know,
time.
tide matters.
On another road to another time.
Tide
Like a
and
novel
wind
from
and
the
current, all these things.
Take another
Happen
road
out there on
to
the drift.
another time. Follow the equator like that old
Think
articulator.
of that.
Sail upon the ocean just like Mr. Twain. Never look back, that was my plan. Run my pony through the
Just gonna keep
sand.
going like this. Just catching more waves, trying to make something happen.
Somewhere
it's a lot faster than it looks. There's a lot of power. To me, it doesn't look like it. When you're out there, there's power.
Take another road to another years behind. Take my own sweet time. Ocean
Of course, this is a trimmed down version, just trying to keep in some reasonable action in the whole scenario. Not putting in too much. Have to trim more out? Probably have to trim more out. It's like they say, editing. Book. Let's do it. Could have trimmed that out, but it adds human interest, I think. It adds human interest.
to a hiding place.
So you're gonna probably trim this out.
Without a trace.
Starting to
Take
get,
another road to another time. On another road to another time. Like
You're in here for the long haul.
from the
You guys listen to me? You're in here for the long haul. Alright, I don't know why that was the end of that. I must have another podcast. This must be the next day. This must be the next moment.
Who wants a pick there? Have to change
Well,
picks.
enjoy
here.
everybody. Maybe there'll be more.
Sturdy 12-string guitar player. Plick. Did I say plick? Hey, nobody. Was that pick or flick? Okay. You gotta have a 12-string guitar if you're gonna play sailor music, you know what I mean? I know we got some sailors in the house, and we got some flying sailors out there, Boca Chica Air Station out there, and thank you all for your service, Navy, and everybody. I've done a little flying out there just to make sure we've got the keys safe, you know. So anyway, this is a little song actually come from a long line of sailors and naval officers. I don't know what happened to me. I just picked up this guitar instead, and it seemed to work. So anyway, this is a song called Son of a Sailor, and all of that is true. The sailors everywhere. And my dear friend Tom Croker from Key West. Sailor on Tom. As the son of a sailor, I went out on the sea for adventure, expanding the view of the captain and crew like a man just released from indenture. As a dreamer of dreams and a troubling man, I've jumped a little. Read dozens of books about heroes and books, hell to learn much from both of their styles. Son of a son, son of a son, son of a son of a sailor, son of a gun, load the last ton, one step ahead of the tailor. Now in the near future, southeast of this order, you can shake the hand of the mango man as he greets you the song, not a lawyer, a thief, or a banker. I'm still the son of the son, son of the son, son of the son of the sailor. The songs in my veins, my tradition remains. I'm just glad I'm only a tailor. I prefer the boat. Who wants a pick there? I have to change picks now to the sturdy 12-string guitar plick. Plick? Did I say plick? Hey, nobody. Was that pick or flick? Okay. You gotta have a 12-string guitar if you're gonna play sailor music, you know what I mean? I know we got some sailors in the house, and we got some flying sailors out there at Boca Chica Air Station out there, and thank you all for your service, Navy, and everybody. I've done a little flying out there just to make sure we've got the keys safe, you know. So anyway, this little song actually come from a long line of sailors and naval officers. I don't know what happened to me. I just picked up this guitar instead, and it seemed to work. So anyway, this is a song called Son of a Sailor, and all of that is true. The sailors everywhere. And my dear friend Tom Carter from Key West. Sail on, Tom. As the son of a sailor, I went out on the sea for adventure. Expanding the view of the captain and crew like a man just released from indenture. As a dreamer of dreams and a troubling man, I'm choked up in read dozens of books about heroes and books, hell learned much from both of their styles. Son of the sun, son of the sun, son of the sun, sailor. Son of a gun, load the last time, one step ahead of the time. Now in the near future, southeast of disorder, you can shake the hand of the mango man as he greets you at the border.
And the lady she hails from Trinidad,
it's the son of a gun of a coil. So where it all ends, I can't tell my friends. If I knew it, just might toss out my anchor. I'll squeeze along, always searching for some, not a lawyer, a thief, or a banker. I'm still the son of the sun, son of the sun, son of the son of the sailor. The seas in my veins, my tradition remains. I'm just glad I'm only a tailor. I prefer the boat.
Jimmy Bucket. I was born in Mississippi, the son of a sailor. Grew up in Alabama, started playing music in Louisiana, and have lived for the past 40 years in Florida.
Like millions of Americans, the Gulf Coast is home to me. My friends and neighbors on the Gulf Coast need our friendship and support in simple, old-fashioned ways by enjoying what is at the core of living on these shores, Southern hospitality. The oil has not and will never kill that. Restaurants are open and the seafood is fresh and good. Hotels are ready for families on vacation. I took a swim here this morning. There's still plenty of open beaches, plenty of local businesses that can use the support of folks who have always come down here in the summer. My friends and I decided that the best thing we could do is play a free show for all the people here. Stand with our neighbors in a tough time and let the rest of the country know the Gulf is open for business. I love this place and these people and this way of life. It's one of the most unique places in America to me. Take a trip down to the Florida Panhandle, the coast of Alabama and Mississippi, or over to Louisiana and see for yourself. This is our way of life. Make it a little part of yours. Ben's out. As the past Thank you. Great to be home. All right. It's like Jazz Fest with an ocean, you know? It's great. Earl's dead, Cadillac for sale. Eldorado sits out on the Tamiami Trail. Sign on the windshield tells the whole tale. Earl's dead, Cadillac for sale. He was a circus man when they first met. He was fired from a cannon into a net. Yeah, the money was good. He always hit the bullseye, saving for the car. One day he would buy. No, he wasn't thinking of some average ride. A human cannonball has a lot of pride. If you're gonna live large, you need a high dramatic Eldorado Biarritz for this wild acrobatic. And Earl's is red with shark-like fins, and that's where this little love tale begins. The rear view mirror puts it all in scale. Earl's dead, Cadillac for sale. She was an Everglades girl, partly Seminole, with an urge for going and a wandering soul. With a name like Moonvine, she knew she'd never stay. That handsome human bullet stole her heart away. It was a Saturday night after the midnight show. She was staring at the car when he said hello. Didn't take too much to move her off the reservation. Just a good-looking boy with the right transportation. And now Earl is wed, Moonvine's got a veil. They're towing that cannon down the Tamiami Trail. He's got the talent, she's got brains. Earl and Moonvine left the land of sugar cane. So they drove down to Panama and back up to Maine. Had so much fun, hell, they did it again. Crossing cities off the map as they shot down the road, knowing towing a cannon, things could explode. Now a Cadillac was always an Elvis thing. Polished chrome and gold, it was the birth of bling. They came with personality, they made you a star. God may have made the earth, but man made that car. Now all the way back to the time of James Dean, car crash songs, chewed up heroes and machines, sick minds, stop signs, and uncontrolled swerves. But Earl and his caddy could handle killer curves. So when the big top folded, Earl took his last drive. Moonvine kissed her boy goodbye, his exit had arrived. She shot his ashes across the gulf from that ancient rusty gun. Nomads know
when the show is done. And Earl's dead, he's been airmailed, and that Eldorado's waiting on the Tamiami Trail for some shameless entertainer to blow in like a gale. Earl's dead. Cadillac, Cadillac, for sale. Earl's dead. Earl's dead.
Okay, gang.